we found that augmented reality, once we started to put that on warehouse selectors, it starts to mess with their vision, and they're already moving at a fast pace. So we dabbled in assisted reality. So basically what you can think of is those that are out in the warehouse selecting goods, they're working either forklift or pallet jacks or whatnot, moving at a very rapid pace. But we have assisted reality, so basically you have in the corner, you have a lens there that's basically saying, all right, so your next order you need to pick is on this aisle in this location, and guess what? Now after I grab it, I get to put it in one exact spot on the pallet. So we're taking that decision tree matrix, putting it in technology, and allowing that as a visual element for these warehouse selectors. So we've seen great efficiency gains because of that, and I think kind of the cornerstone of that is not only making their jobs easier, but now you're going to have that incentive of our actual ROI, which is equally important, because you want to be able to have return on that investment that you're spending.